Hey everyone, let me show you something. Come closer. Look how dirty this vent is. Oh man, that is disgusting. Hey everyone, Juan here from Trilogy Services and AC. I wanted to talk to you guys today about our air duct and vent cleaning services. Every home, whether new or old, accumulates an average of 40 pounds of dust a year. This dust is the perfect environment for growing bacteria, mold, mildew, or fungus, and many viruses. Not only does this create an unhealthy home, this also decreases the efficiency of your cooling and heating air conditioning system, leading to higher electricity bills and more money out of your pocket. But thankfully, here at Trilogy Services AC, we have the perfect solution for you. Our duct cleaning services have been proven to prevent and relieve from allergies, asthma, headaches, odors, sneezing, sinus congestions, and other respiratory infections up to 99%. The products that we use have been tested and regulated by the EPA to fight against COVID-19. These products have been used to disinfect hospitals, morgues, police stations, fire stations, and many more. Call us today on the number on your screen and ask about our basic duct cleaning special. And always remember, be cool, be green, be healthy. Take care.